friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen, here on YouTube. And today's video, I'm going to be opening a complete and total mystery box that I bought from Goodwill. They call this a reseller mystery box. Let me share with you the details of the box, and then we're just going to dive in and open it and see what's inside. So this is a 25-piece reseller clothing lot, and you bid on them. I think they start at like $9.99. Always when you're shopping online at ShopGoodwill.com, double check the shipping cost and the handling because it can really add up on that site. But my total was $27.56, including shipping, handling, and tax. So that means the items in the box cost about $1 each. Super cheap cost of goods. I thought even if I get a few things that I can resell for profit online, it'll be worth it. And you know, if you've ever watched my channel, I absolutely love a good mystery box. You'll find lots of Thredup unboxings. I do Stitch Fix. I do some Jomar Wholesale stuff, some Goodwill Blue Box. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss one of these other fun videos. So let's get into this total mystery box. Let me awkwardly pick up the 25-pound box so you can see what is inside. So, oh gosh, why do I do these things to myself? Hold on, I want to show you the box when it first opens because that's fun. Okay, so here we go. Here we are. I see some things that look new with tags. So this is what the box is looking like. And that is what they show you guys. Let me put this down. So on ShopGoodwill.com, they don't give a ton of information. It's an as-is purchase, and they'll sometimes show you just the top of the box like that. I did see a few things that looked new with tags, so I thought that's worth trying out. So here we go. This first item is an Old Navy size medium. Oh, it's cute. It's like a black women's dress. Just like a fitted cotton black women's dress. It looks to be in great condition, so no problem with that. I love whatever this is. I just love, like, it looks very boho. If you don't know, I'm from California, Northern California. I'm north of San Francisco. Oh, this is nice. Aqua blue, size 1X, new with tags. I mean, it only retailed for like 10 bucks. Reselling tip, you know, if you have a tag on here that says 10 bucks, I just cut that off, or I at least cut off the price. And this is like a white, gosh, it's kind of cute. Kind of gauzy with like a palm tree print or something. That is so nice. Like, that would be perfect swim cover up for the pool. In fact, I think I will put that in my title, swim cover up. This feels awesome, whatever this is. Apartment 9, stretch medium. Apartment 9, I think, is just sold at like Kmart or Kohl's or something. Just a super stretchy pink top. So far, nothing with damage. They don't guarantee any of that for you though, guys. Ooh, look at this. Purple velvet, crushed velvet from Walmart. That's okay. What is this? Is it a kid's item? I don't know. It's like a, I think it's like a little girl's velvet crop top. I don't know if I can do anything with that, but let's see. This feels super soft and nice, whatever it is. Ooh, Chico's. Ooh, perfect. You guys know I love my mature women's brands like Chico's, J. Jill, Talbot continue to be my best sellers. And this is a 2, so it's a size large. I really love this, actually. Ooh, this is really good because it has an asymmetrical hem. See that there? Asymmetrical hemline, lightweight red sweater. Absolutely. Love that. This is heavy, heavy, heavy. Ooh, so this is another good piece. I am pleasantly surprised, Goodwill. And it's a size 12, White House Black Market. This brand, a lot of people say it does well for them. I don't tend to pick it up. It's just not on my radar, but I have been in that store and it's pricey. Oh my God, this is so cute. My favorite color, turquoise. It's a blazer, but it has a peplum hem. Look at the pleating in the back there. So it's not buttoned up correctly, but it appears to have all its like big heavyweight silver buttons. I love that. Nice piece. This is a total mystery box. Oftentimes you know something about the box, but they just take a picture of the top of the box and send it on its way. What could this be? Some pajama bottoms maybe? Size large. These are like some women's with a chevron print. like a pair of silky pajama bottoms. I don't even see a name brand in there. Do you guys sell sleepwear? I did this video on the channel. It was a live with my mom a couple weeks ago. It's a Friday night live, and it's like how to shop Goodwill like a pro or something. And my mom and I give thrifting tips. And one of the tips I gave is that don't skip like the sleepwear section. I don't know, how is it at your thrift stores? Usually the sleepwear section has like pajamas, nightgowns, bras, underwear, like that whole section. It's kind of random, but I've gotten some really valuable things in that section. You know, Barefoot Dreams stuff. I got a Notori slip I sold to an international customer on eBay for like, was it 40 or 60 bucks? So, and it's often underpriced there. They don't tend to mark up, at least at my thrift stores, they don't mark up the sleepwear stuff for some reason. So you can get stuff cheap. Ooh, what is this? Silkland, oh, size 1X. I can sell anything plus size XL or 1X. So I'm more discriminate with brands. I love to buy brands in order to resell. I look for labels that are expensive, but in plus size, it really doesn't matter as much. It all sells. This is cute. It's like a black and white floral print blouse. And look at the embroidery all on the waistline there. And it has a tie. That's cute. That'll sell no problem. So everything's like $1. I definitely would have picked up a lot of these pieces for $1. Not everything. Oh, this is cute too. Calvin Klein size medium. This is a super thin, lightweight button-down top. It's not buttoned up or anything, but it's gauzy. You can practically see through it. I love that here in California. We do a lot of layers in Northern California because it still gets cold at night and stuff. It's not like Southern California. It has a roll tab sleeve, so this little tab, I really like that. It looks to me kind of small for a medium, but I like that piece. Here we are doing, I can at least pick it up now, but we still have kind of a long way to go with the box, so I better stop yammering, chatting, whatever, and get on with the box.
I didn't subscribe to Grateful Queen, so I had bad luck. I only made a little bit of money. I had super bad luck. Now I did subscribe to Grateful Queen, so I had great luck. I can reach when I was just a child. I was able to afford ruby and diamond bracelets. And I had the best luck ever. I won the soccer game. And I had so much money. Woo! It's raining money!
This is cute. Mighty Fine, Vampire Diaries, Love Sucks. Graphic tees are good. I don't know much about that. You guys can educate me. Maybe somebody really wants a vampire shirt, and I've got it. Thanks to Goodwill. This is Arizona, size small, just a little shrug. These little tiny sweaters that you would wear like over a, like on date night, maybe you have a dress on and you put on a little sweater on top. It's called a shrug. I've sold shrugs. I see something white and gauzy in there. I wonder if I'm gonna like it. Okay, Goodwill, H by Halston, that's not bad. Just a women's blue stretchy tunic top, but it has in the back some kind of detail, size medium. This I might have to like model or something. Can you guys see that? There's some kind of like detail on the back where it like pouches out. Oh, and it's high-low hem. That piece is good. What is this? Green, not the best feeling thing. Alfred Dunner, not a great brand. Size 10 petite. Kind of a green jacket with some cutout perforation there. It's not bad. Perfect for fall, actually. I can sell a fall jacket. Oh, this looks like a baseball tee. Oh, this is cute. This is Old Navy size large. I don't know if it's men's or women's. Let me see. It's new with tag. Does it say men's or women's? I'm not sure, but this mustard color, this yellow mustard, is really popular. And Old Navy stuff sells, you guys. People like brands that they know, that they're familiar with. They've been in the store, they know the styles or sizes, so it sells fine. Look at the cute print on this. That's so cute. That's so boho. I love it. But these are like some sleep shorts. I'll probably just keep these. No Boundaries, size XL, like a women's pair of sleep shorts. So far, I don't see anything with obvious damage. I'm not seeing anything with holes or tears or missing buttons. That could be in here. But sometimes I'll put things under my lights. If you guys need lights for photographing, I have an awesome, inexpensive lighting kit linked in the description section below. There's tons of links in my description section with more information, my stores and closets, ways to contact me, but also lots of discount codes. So like if you need a discount code for Stitch Fix or Thredup or Jomar, I've got you covered down there in the description section. Okay, let's see. Ooh, this feels awesome, whatever this is. And I love this color. Don't you guys love like this olive greeny color? What is this? It's nice. This is nice, whatever it is. Look at this. It's a green blouse. It's silky. It looks like it has a tie for the waist. This looks nice, whatever it is, but I don't see any tags. Let me look around. Oh, Isabel Maternity by Ingrid Isabel. Okay, it's on a maternity top. I like that. Do you guys sell maternity? Ooh. I've got some friends, like my friend Alicia over at Married Life. She sells maternity and does well with it. I'm not opposed to selling it. I just don't seek it out, but that could be a little business niche, you know, like maternity stuff. Then you could have some baby clothes and things in your closet or store too. I love animal print. Still for fall 2020, animal print is hot. What is this? A little jacket. Jade by Melody Tam. Anyone know it? If you know anything about any of these brands, just help us out in the comments, but this will sell on Style Alone. It's cute. It's like a little blazer. Kind of has a swing coat cut though, how it's a little bit boxy like that, and 3/4 sleeve. I don't know, but that'll sell on Style. I love it. I absolutely love it. This is Morona, which is sold at Target, but it's a classic blue and white like boat neck top. Those usually sell pretty well. People like that. I'll put classic boat net and nautical in my title. Ooh, some new with tags. There's a few new with tags in here. Nothing high end or anything, but this bread and butter stuff will be fine. Lascana, anyone know it? I mean, I'm used to being able to educate people about the brands in my videos. A lot of my thrift hauls, things that I picked up myself, I do a lot of education about brands and styles, but in a mystery box, I don't know what any of this stuff is. Just a cute pair of denim shorts. Lascanza. It's in Euro sizing. Oh, USA size 8. Pair of like, those are cute. Just a pair of classic shorts. Some more camo print. Camo print tends to do really well. No boundaries, but it's a size 3X, so that's good. Like I would say, Junior's brand, no boundaries, not that great, but it's camo and it's plus size and it's new with tag. If the tag's cut like that, I make sure to note that in my description somewhere, like new with a cut tag or something. But a plus size camo shirt, I can probably sell that for like 10 bucks plus shipping. I love white, you guys know that, and I like how this looks like gauzy, crinkly white. Croft & Barrow says petite extra large, great size. This does not look petite extra large. I don't know if this shrunk. Maybe it's because it's petite. It has like a cropped, no, it's linen and cotton. I love linen and I love white, so this might end up being for me, but it looks awfully small. It does not look like a petite extra large, so I'll have to check into that. Actually, I'm pretty happy with this box. For 25 bucks for $1 an item, not bad at all. I can sell this bread and butter stuff like these. Style & Co., kind of a mature women's brand, but that brand does really well for me on eBay. And this looks like a pair of women's career trousers. Yeah, just like a straight leg, plain black career trouser in a size 10. Stretch, no problem. Okay, another new, there's a lot of new with tag in here. Not any high-end stuff, but these are Gap. Gap size 10. Originally $59.50. These are cute. I'm kind of a 10, 12. I can't even tell the color on these though. They're either brown or like a eggplant or something. I like these actually. They have a little bit of a, like, it's not an elastic ankle, but there's a little cuff and they go down to a narrow ankle. Wow, regular. I like those. They might have linen in them too. Those might end up in my closet too. Oh look, I think it's another one of these. It's another one of these from Walmart, velvet tops. So I'll probably lot these two velvet kids crop tops together. I don't know who's wearing these, but size small. So, I mean, maybe for a costume or fun, I don't know. And last but not least, something stretchy and nice feeling. What are you? You are, oh, made for life, petite medium. And it's like a black, super stretchy, soft turtleneck. So for 25 bucks, I'm okay with that box. So if you're interested in this kind of box, you go onto shopgoodwill.com. In the search bar, put reseller box, and you can take a look. They'll show you a couple of pictures maybe, and you can bid on it. It's a cheap way to get bread and butter items. Try it out. Thanks for watching, you guys. I always love talking to you in the comments. So on the way out, make sure to leave me a comment, like the video, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.